channel. Today I am unboxing my Singleswag. You want to see what's in it? Give me a second. So if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video and its content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much. I appreciate your loyalty to my channel. And don't forget to check my giveaway link. I do have a giveaway going on and you might want to check that out. So without further ado, let's get into the box. Singleswag is a monthly subscription box, but they always have great offers. So I got a 3-month subscription for like 35 or 40% off. So I paid like $22, $23 for it a month. And I think it's normally like $39. So you always want to check out their specials. And I will leave a link with the discount code below. But as I said, they always offer great discounts. So it's a lifestyle box. It has all sorts of things. It has jewelry, it puts clothing in there, it's got, I think, makeup, all sorts of fun things. It comes nicely packaged. And it does have a card with everything that's in here along with the retail prices. And they always include a food item. Probably my favorite part of the box. So this month's food item is Mr. Cake Cinnamon Crumb Cakes. So this will definitely not go to waste. The next item is Hannah Sienna Silky Papaya Infused Bath Salts. I really do not take a lot of baths. I'm more of a shower person. Occasionally when I want to relax, I'll use like one of these great bath bombs. But because it's so nicely packaged, I do leave them out by the tub. I must say, these smell great. I wouldn't mind leaving them open by the tub, but the klutz will come along and knock them down. But they do smell awesome. And the price of these, of course, I probably opened it from the bottom. Mr. Cake is $3. And the Hannah Sienna Silky Papaya Infused Bath Salts are $20. So this alone is like almost half the box. The next item, Feel Free Herb Infusion Mild Cleansing Foam. So this, I do like a good cleansing foam. I take the cleansing foams and I use them in the shower. They get so powerful. It's like all over and it's so hard to get off. So the best place for me is to use them in the shower, so that way if it falls all over, I'm not making a mess. It's very hard for me to read all the products that are in here, but let's see. Feel Free Herb Infusion Mild Cleansing Foam retails for $30. This oxygenating cleanser with ginger extract has a creamy and soapy texture designed to remove the most tenacious impurities and balance the skin. Gently massage the product into your face, then rinse with water and dry without rubbing. So I bet you this is awesome. So just those first 2 or 3 products pays for the box. Ooh. And a headband. You can never have too many of these. The Got Me Twisted Denim Top Knot Headband retails for $24. What makes this worth $24? This stylish, trendy, 100% cotton, one size fits all, great for at home or on the go wear, where we're gonna go. But yeah, it's cute, but does anybody actually pay $24 for a headband? So I will get my use out of it, but I would never pay $24. Then we have, it's probably jewelry, Indigo Authority, and it's a very nice box. I can hear there's something in there. Hopefully it's something I like. Oh. Did I just get this, or did I just see this? I must have just seen somebody else unboxing this because I thought I won't wear it. It is, I didn't mean to sound negative. This is what it looks like, and I didn't like when the person opened it. It'd probably go really cute with the shirt I'm wearing, but it just isn't something that I would wear. And this is, I don't know. This is the crescent horn long necklace and earring set, and it retails for $72. The crescent horn is thought to represent inner strength and fierce protection. This versatile long necklace and earring set is perfect for dressing up or down, day or night. Lobster class necklace, 20 inches, chain with 4-inch extender. So it is nice if this is what you're into. So I really shouldn't say anything negative about it because there are a lot of people that do enjoy this. The earrings I would never wear because they're just too tight for my ears. But I don't know if I'd pay $72. So let me know what you think of that. And then we have the P.O. Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. And I always do like a good sleeping mask. I do have quite a few. And see if I can find this. This truly all-natural, vegan-friendly sleeping mask, high in antioxidants to nourish and cleanse, is a perfect hydrating overnight treatment for thirsty, dull skin, and it retails for $13. And it's Dr. Botanicals. So the price on the skincare is reasonable, and this is the cute packaging. So as I said, they put a little bit of everything, but you can't please everybody in all the boxes that you get. And then we got So Susan Cosmetics Luminaire Rose Gold Liquid Highlighter. In all our boxes, we are just getting overloaded with highlighters. And it's kind of fun because highlighters look different on all of our different skins. This is what it looks like. I don't know how much is in there, so I couldn't tell you what color it is. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it, so I don't wanna open it. Quite a few items in this box. And Rose Gold Liquid Highlighter retails for $22. The skin softening water-based illuminator containing hyaluronic acid to help hydrate and promote skin elasticity will provide a silky, subtle glow designed to last throughout the day. So I might have to try that. And then we have one other thing, and they usually put a book in their box, and their books are very good. This one is The Gratitude Diaries by Janice Kaplan. How a year looking on the bright side can transform your life. And this is the book. I can't say I've heard of the author, but it looks like it would be a good book. I do have to find some good reading glasses because I can't read worth a darn, but I would like to read this. And let's see if we can find the book to read in the bath. In this New York Times bestseller, Janice Kaplan spends a year living gratefully and transforms her health, work, and family life. Through warmth, humor, and appealing insight, Kaplan empowers readers to think positively and improve many aspects of their life and start living their own best year. And it retails for $18. And sorry, the box just dropped. So I'm trying to add up here. 22, 35. So this box, they're saying, is worth almost $200. I think because, sorry. I think because the necklace set was valued at $72. So if the prices are right, it's worth almost $200. Oh, it's right at the bottom as I add it up. It says retail value for May is $202. And you can actually go to their website and get 50% off retail. So if there's a product in here that you like and you can't live without, you can go buy it at 50% off. So let me know what you think. And you can also win your next box. You just need to hashtag them and post a picture. And again, I will leave a referral link because you can get money off on the box. As I said, I like it. There's, you know, I can't say in every single box there's an item that I absolutely love, but there's always items in here that make the box worth it. So comment below what your favorite item is. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.